Hello everyone. I have Kitchenaid dishwasher which recently had leaking from underneath into basement floor ceiling. So, after doing research inside, I replace diverter valve seal in here. Did not work, still leak. I call, plumber comes, and after 10 minutes check underneath, see water leak. This right here, this piece was loose and needed to be tightened. If your dishwasher leaking from bottom, check to see if this piece is loose and tighten. That was what problem was with my dishwasher. Kitchenaid, I will post model number in description. Thank you, and I hope this helps fix your dishwasher.